Radical functions. So a radical function basically is just going to have a radical sign in it. So the basic square root function looks like this. F of x equals the square root of x. And I think we worked on graphing those earlier, if I'm remembering right. So that would just be like the basic square root function. The basic cube root function would look like the cubed root of x. Something like that. Okay? So I don't believe we've graphed those before, so we'll work on that a little bit in this section. Okay, but first we're going to evaluate. So they give us a function. It's a square root function because it's got a square root in it. And it says find f of 6. So part A says find f of 6. So you're just going to evaluate the function when x is 6. And so that's going to equal the square root of 18 minus 2. 18 minus 2 is the square root of 16. And then that's just going to be 4. So f of 6 equals 4. If you were to make it, if you wanted to graph it, you could make it an ordered pair, and that would be 6, 4. They don't ask us to do that. They just want to know the value f of 6. All right, so part B says find f of 0. So f of 0 would be the square root of 3 times 0 minus 2. Well, 3 times 0 is going to be 0. So then you have the square root of 0 minus 2, which is the square root of negative 2, and that is not real. So we're just going to say that f of 0 is not real. Okay, so that's it for this video.